Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we are going to be working on the hatch. We're going to be restoring the headlights on it, and we're going to be putting on some new Auxito LED lights. They're going to look good. Go ahead and start by showing you guys what I'm going to be using to restore them. Something cheap. It was only about 12 bucks or so. This is how my light is looking right now. As you can see, it's getting all foggy again. The clear coat's kind of chipping. I did use this before. It lasted about a year. That's not bad at all. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this, make them look brand spanking new again, nice and shiny. This is what I'm gonna be using. Is not purple power. It's just an empty bottle I had that I filled it up with dish soap and water. And then we have the tape that I already used to tape up the lights. Well, tape up the sides so we don't sand any of the paint off. And we got some towels so we could dry it. Go ahead and open up what we got in here. So this is the new wipe, which is pretty much a clear coat wipe. And inside here we got the sanding block and gloves. So I'm pretty sure. All right, so this is the more grittier side, and then this one's gonna be the softer for the finish. So we're gonna go ahead and obviously start with the grittier side. Let's just go ahead and spray it down with some nice soapy water. And all you gotta do is go in a back and forth motion, just like that, until it pretty much gets all nice and foggy. As you can see all the yellow stuff coming off of it. We're pretty much just gonna be hitting this until it gets all nice and foggy, and then we'll finish it with the smoother side. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the finer grit. Now that we have it all foggy and like this, we go ahead and grab the clear coat wipe. Make sure you guys put those gloves that they provide, because you definitely don't want to get this stuff on your hands. But all you're gonna do is pretty much make sure it's nice and even, and then you get a nice glossy finish. You pretty much just repeat this process onto the other light. Now that we are done with restoring the headlights, as you can see, ooh, nice. Now we could start installing the Auxito LED lights. All right guys, so this is what we're going to be putting in. Big shout out to Auxito. Pretty sure that's how you say it. Let's go ahead and take the wrap off. All right, right out the box, these things are looking good. These look really good. If you guys want to get yourself a pair of these headlights, go use discount code REVVED to get 15% off. I'm pretty sure anything on their website. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description. But looks like you also get 2 pairs of gloves. You got 4 zip ties and an O-ring, and then the instruction manual. But we don't need the instruction manual because I'm going to be showing you guys how to put them in, and then we'll see how they look at night. First things first, we gotta pop the hood. I also forgot to tell you guys, I ended up doing a VTEC head swap, and I ended up getting a skunk tube manifold I already had laying around. This is pretty much parts from my white Civic. I totally forgot to tell you guys the footage for that video. I accidentally deleted it. I don't even know how I even did that, but I was kind of mad about that. For some reason my speedo don't work after I did it. I used the harness from my white coupe, but I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, go down below and let me know in the comments. All you have to do is come down over here, unplug this connector, just like that, and then you pop this boot off, and then you come down here. You could see that there's a little clip right here. All you gotta do is push in and then pop out like that. There you go. Halogen bulb out. Now this is the Auxito one, and right off the bat this feels a lot better. This definitely is going to be a lot more brighter for sure. Look how big that is. Same process. All you got to do is line them up to the notches, just like so. I'll use my pinky. My fucking fat ass fingers can't fit in there. All right, I finally got it in. My fat ass fingers weren't letting me hook it in, but it's finally in. Now we could just run it through the boot back on right over here, right over the fan, just like that. And it sits nice and flush. Plug them back in, just like so. Look at that, Auxito. So on this side, I still have the stock bulb. As you can see, it's orange. So on this side, you can't really see it, but it is white. But on the wall though, you can actually see the Auxito light in daytime. You can't even see the regular bulb. You can't even see it. So right off the bat, this is a major upgrade from what I've already had. We're gonna go ahead and transition to it being dark outside so we could actually see how they look. All right guys, so this is inside the car still. And as you can see, these things are freaking bright. We'll do the high beams. Holy shit. These are actually really bright, guys. Oh. Alright, so outside of the vehicle, lights are really bright actually. Yeah, this is how it looks like with the bright. Oh. Yeah, definitely way better than the last ones I had. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. I know it was a little short video. If you wanna do this to your car, go down below and hit the link, type in your vehicle information, use code REVVED, and you guys could get 15% off anything on their website. Headlights, tail lights, anything light related actually. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, go down below and hit that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.